backwards from when you leave, because we want to allow a couple of days of practice. Because keep your speed up. I'm talking to you and drive. I want you to take your road test before you leave. My schedule works, but it's going to have to be during the day. We'll figure it out. Don't worry about it until after you come back from your vacation, and then we'll get you over there. I have cones too, so we can also. It's just a parallel parking stoplight. You will be prepared, so don't worry. Just feel comfortable, doing this. I like what you're doing. Never hang around semi-trucks. You're at a perfect speed. Keep going. Don't ever hang around them. Good job. Good. Keep it up. Have you been on the expressway with your dad?
No.
Okay.
Only drive to work.
You're hugging the left just a little bit. Keep driving. Don't change. Speed is good. Keep driving. Keep looking ahead. Keep eating. Good speed. You're good. Nice.
Yeah, but my dad's kind of scared at me on the freeway.
I get it.
He's like, I'm not scared for you. I'm scared for the driver.
Exactly.
It's like, I'm going to get you a sticker.
You have improved so much, and I do believe from my heart you will be fine. We'll keep practicing. I'll keep giving you quality, and so don't hug the left. You want to keep the car in the center, and just take your time. Turn now. Better. Turn and hold. You're getting better. Turn and hold. Yes. Keep speed up. So much better. Yep.
I feel like I'm bugging out right now.
Look ahead. Don't look down. Look ahead. You have to look up. You're doing great. Keep driving. Don't change anything. Keep driving. Beautiful. Yep. Remember, don't put your hand to the bottom because you're going to make the wheel short. Perfect. Keep it up. Doing well. Nice job. Everything is good. You did good. Don't hug the right. Stay in your lane. So much better.
So many times.
That's why I brought you here. The I-94 corridor. Yep. Keep putting in work. Start turning now. Yes. You're doing it. Yes. If you would have put your hand to the bottom, you would have been throwing it. You were driving good. Stay relaxed. You're almost off the curve. I really want you to feel confident. confident, feel successful, keep driving, keep it in your lane, keep working hard, keep doing it, keep working. What's that?
No, they could have brought me, so I thought I was going somewhere else.
That's okay. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Yes. Don't hug to the right. There's the semi truck to our right. So, perfect. Yes. Okay. Good. Yes.
It's on his turns.
Stay in your lane. Yes. Turn the wheel now. Don't jerk it. Don't put your hands on the bottom. That's your biggest difference right there. No. Don't do that. You just turn and hold. Keep it up.
I'm just used to seeing my parents turn like that.
Girl,
so then
they
I
can
turn
do
like
that. You can. You haven't learned that yet. Keep driving. See? We made it through. We made it through. Nice. Okay, stay on the gas. Get over one lane to the right. Don't jerk it. Don't jerk it. Yeah, you can. Good. Kill the blinker. You have to know you can do it.
I just saw the car coming, but
Get in your lane, stay in your lane. Nice. Don't panic. Just lift your foot a little bit. Drive. Good. Everything's good. Keep eating. Keep going. The biggest thing is your right hand.